Good morning to all. I'm Tushar Chandra from CSE-C, and today I want to say about how to learn grammar and where will we use the grammar in our daily life. And firstly, we learn the grammar not alone. We use the we learn the grammar combined with the vocabulary. It's like when we learn grammar, we should use both grammar and as well as the vocabulary. We learn connectively both of them. And later, we learn grammar for the cause of using it in the daily sentences. And by using the words which we use in the daily life, we learn the structures which we use in the grammar, and also we should grammatically develop ourselves day by day. And also we should change the vocabulary and we use in the daily sentences. Thank you.
Myself, K. Nikhil from CSE-C second year. I want to tell about grammar and vocabulary that makes a speaker more effective. While we learning a vocabulary with grammar, we will otherwise we can't manage our we can't manage our speaking skills in a correct way. Grammar and vocabulary is define the confidence level of a speaker, and for for speaking with others we in a correct way we have to use grammar and vocabulary in correct way, and that should that should that should is good for expressing the ideas in a ideas and our skills in exact times. Okay, that's us.
Good morning, everyone. I am Chetan Kumar. From my roll number is 5E6. For good communication, we have to learn grammar and vocabulary. We can't learn uh, we can't learn vocabulary grammar as individual. By combining those two, if we learn a topic or a lesson in grammar, next we have to learn a lesson or topic in vocabulary. By this process, we can improve our communication skills and vocabulary and grammar. Here, by day practice, it improves us in our communication, uh, where we can communicate others properly. Like yeah, day by day, practice makes man perfect. Like practicing daily, it improves ourselves. And thank you.
Someone fails to do any one of this task, get ready to be. I'm Jiyashmita from CSE-C section, and I would like to share about the grammar and why we used needed for in our life. And mostly grammar, while we are learning a vocabulary or grammar, we have to maintain them simultaneously. Learning grammar one chapter means learning vocabulary at the one another chapter. When we are going through like that, then we can learn easily through that. When we are following is giving a sentence, we have to focus on grammar, vocabulary, and verb sentence. Through that, we can give a particular and we can mm, express our feelings through that particular, and others can understand what we are saying through the grammar and sentences. And also, what I ultimately we have to focus on the sentence which we are saying others in everything through grammar and vocabulary. We can speak very good at English, This is what my ultimate goal. Everyone should learn through this. And the example for this is, if we learn new word about the generous, and we can say that she is generous to everyone, like that we can learn every sentences in our daily life. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Japanita from CSE-C with the roll number 5E5. Today, I am here to share my point of view on listening to speaking activity. Uh, in this activity, I have learned that the grammar is very useful to make a formation of sentences in our daily usage, and also we have to practice grammar through connecting real time situations in our daily life, and we have to practice with our friends, and find out the errors and practice more in our daily life situations. And we don't by heart the structures of grammar. We have to form a sentences with our daily life real time situations. And my suggestion is to practice uh, every every grammar topic in a explanation way, not by hurting. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Arisha. I'm from CSE-C. My roll call is 5D4. So I want to share about the grammar topics. Grammar is a very not about the rules, but it is about the good communication. But without the proper grammar, we don't have the proper communication with others. Without the grammar rules, we lost our meanings also. So according to my point of view, grammar will our career very much, and I think grammar is the building for our the good communication. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ayashwin from CSE-C and my registration number is 5D6. The point I want to tell about is importance of grammar and vocabulary. Grammar and vocabulary plays a crucial role in our day-to-day life, and these are also useful for our employability skills. These can be learned combinedly. These cannot be learned separately because these are also having common linkage to learn the both at a time. If we learn this separately, we cannot learn perfect vocabulary and grammar because these are having some rules and these are also follow some re- rules for speaking, and these are also follows some of the points to frame the sentences. And this grammar and vocabulary combinedly use it to frame the sentences, and these can't be learned very easily. While we are learning grammar and vocabulary, after learning we should also frame some sentences and etc. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
I'm here to explain. Today we have to discuss vocabulary and grammar. We have to learn vocabulary and grammar along with them. We have to use daily routines to know more grammar and vocabulary. We have to learn both combinedly to Some of the examples we have to explore with the grammar structures, with the tenses, to learn more about vocabulary and grammar. That's it. We have to learn vocabulary and grammar in frequency to day-to-day life. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, everyone. I am Jay from CSE-C now talking about grammar. Grammar and vocabulary are more important in our communication. We should learn both combination. Without learning grammar and vocabulary is not useful. We should learn both simultaneously. Uh, Grammar is a speech words that commands our sentence. We should learn both.
Little louder, please.
My registration number is 5.
Still louder.
Good morning, everyone. I am working from CSE-C. My registration number is 5D9. The nowadays the grammar is very important, very useful to us, and while for job purpose and everything, and we have to learn the grammar plus vocabulary to improve our communication skills.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Bhavya from CSE-C at 24 KD 18054. Today I tell how to improve grammar. Firstly, you tell improve grammar basics, structure, and prepositions, articles, parts of speech. First, you learn basic concepts, then you practice real-time examples. Thank you. My name is Pamni from CSCC. My roll call is A2. Uh, Learn the grammar and vocabulary. We work best to mix the understanding and practice. We practice daily. Where it is.
Somebody's coming. Team 1 is breaking the rule continuously.
Yes, sir, I already gave them -5.
Wonderful. You can add one more -5. Put together it is -10. For those who have done, we can see. For the rest, we can have -10.
Grammar and vocabulary is used to speak English to communicate with others. It easily and stylishly is very respect. Grammar is the structure of the words, and vocabulary is the how to speak the words, how to do the words. It also